Welcome to week 2 of the YouTube Marketing Academy. It's research time. We are going to hit the ground running and start doing research on what kinds of videos to start making so that we can fill your channel with awesome videos. We'll start this week by talking about 2 of the biggest mistakes that new YouTubers make and how to avoid them. Then we'll jump right in and show you some research tools to find the best keywords to target for your niche and your channel. There's at least 4 keywords research tools that I want to share with you in this course, but I don't want to overwhelm you in the beginning, so we'll start with these 2. Why these 2? Because they are specifically made for YouTube. When you are researching keywords for your videos, you don't want to start with tools like Google, Yahoo, or Bing. They won't tell you the search volume and are too broad. These tools, however, will give you search results directly happening on YouTube, which is exactly what we need to make our videos. I also wanted to tell you that I am not currently affiliated with any of the tools that I mentioned to you. I'm only sharing them with you because they are helpful. You can make your own decision as to which tools to continue using and if you wanted to upgrade to a paid version. But the good thing is they both have a basic plan that is free for you to try. After we do our research, we will end this week with the video execution worksheet. This will help you organize all the research work you have done and help you figure out how to link your videos together and which video to make first. It's going to be so fun and exciting because you will feel like a television producer when you are doing it. I can't wait to share that experience with you. Once again, I am so happy to have you here doing this YouTube adventure with me. I'm going to take great care of you, okay? Cool. I'll see you in the next episode.